Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode of Encap TV, I want to talk to you about a couple of Encap Essentials. Stay tuned to find out more. Today I want to talk to you about a couple of essential items that will help you round out your Encap cleaning. Now let's face it, you know what you're going to do. You're going to go in there, you're going to pre-vacuum the carpet, and then you're going to scrub the carpet with your Cymex machine, your orbital machine, your CRB machine, or even a rotary machine that has a shampoo tank on it. Any of these will perform good encapsulation, especially when you're working with Release It. Gets the job done and really cleans well, as you know. But there are a couple of areas that you want to think about. For example, let's say along the wall. Normally walls don't get too messed up because, let's face it, due to the way we like to have a little space around us when we move through a building, normally people don't walk with their feet running along the wall, so it doesn't get a lot of foot traffic. We like to stay about a foot away from the wall typically, or even more when we're walking, so edges don't get too hammered. But if you have an edge that needs attention, perhaps where a counter meets the carpet, and things have spilled off the edge of the counter, what do you do about that? Or what about steps and stairs? Well, I want to show you a couple of simple tools that you can use for both of those items. For edges, we have the edge brush. It's an inexpensive item we sell here at Excellent Supply. You simply thread a threaded pole in here, you spray the edge, and you just, it makes that sound as you do it. You scrub the edges and it gets rid of the stuff that might be there along the edges. Or if you got a lot of dust buildup along the edges, this will just nail it. So give it a quick spray, run through with the edge brush, and you're done. Let's face it, the Cymex machine and orbital machine, CRB machines, they don't generally get up to the wall super well. You're going to have a little gap. The edge brush covers that nicely. So this is kind of an essential tool, very inexpensive. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Another item that you seriously want to consider is the drill driver. Now this can be used with any drill, or you can take out this little chuck and you can use it with an angle grinder. So the 8-inch drill driver is a really nice tool. You can use it with, like you see here, the 8-inch microfiber scrub bonnet, or you can use a glide bonnet, or you could attach a Fiber Plus pad, the 8-inch Fiber Plus, like what we would use on a Cymex machine, onto the drill driver. Now, one thing you want to be mindful of if you're going to use a drill with this, it's better to use a drill that has a side handle attachment, because this can get a little bit wonky. It kind of goes a little bit like that as you're scrubbing it if you're just holding it with a handle. But if you've got the side handle attachment on your drill, it's going to work great. Another thing you might do if you're doing a lot of stairs, something we don't sell here at Excellent Supply, but the Oric Orbiter, they're like around $400. You can pick them up on Amazon or wherever. That's not a bad tool if you're doing lots of stairs also, but for the most part, you're just running through some steps and stairs, the drill driver will do a terrific job for you, and it's so simple. One more thing that we don't sell here at Excellent Supply, but I wanted to share with you, inexpensive 2-gallon pump-up sprayer that you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's from DeWalt. This is the best inexpensive pump-up sprayer I've found. It's really well built, holds up well, and it's so inexpensive it's practically disposable. So use it, abuse it, grab another one when you're out and about and you run into one of the big box stores and pick up one if you need one. I like this for applications like this where you just need to be using a little bit of spray, so the DeWalt sprayer might help you out there too. So hopefully these ideas will help you see how you can kind of complete the package when it comes to performing good encapsulation cleaning with the edge brush and the drill driver. We're here to help you max your Encap. That's what it's all about here at Excellent Supply. All of our products are designed to help you succeed when it comes to encapsulation cleaning. We want to thank you for watching this episode. If you would, give us a thumbs up, share your comments. Perhaps you've worked with the drill driver or the edge brush, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.